Hey guys, today's video is how to bake in a cooker. If you do not have an oven, this is the best setup that you can use for baking. You can use cooker or any other heavy bottom pan or kadhai for this setup. Add a cup of salt or sand and spread them across evenly. Salt absorbs some heat from the cooker and prevents it from overheating. The next step is to use a stand, cup or a plate to elevate the height. This is to prevent direct heat hitting the tin, which will burn the bottom and leave the middle uncooked. Similar to oven, it's important to preheat a cooker. For this, remove your gasket and whistle. Preheat them in a medium-low flame for about 10 minutes or until your recipe specifies. At this stage, the cooker will be really hot and it is important that you place your tin carefully. Ensure that there is enough gap between the tin and walls of the cooker. The recipe for this healthy brownie will be next on our channel. Now close the lid and bake until the recipe specifies. You can use this setup to bake any pizzas, garlic bread, cakes, cookies or any baking for that matter. The links for all these recipes are in the description box below or click the iCard. I hope you liked this video. If you did so, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video.